Lesson 6, case studies. So we're going to cover a couple events that happened, and you could go through these times and look at the chart and see how price reacted. First one we got down here is the Brexit. That is UK's decision to leave the European Union in 2016 caused significant volatility in the Forex market, the pound dropping to its lowest level in 30 years. Traders who had analyzed the potential impact of the Brexit vote on the UK economy were better positioned to profit from the ensuing market movements. Next one, we got OPEC's oil production cuts. That is the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. In November 2016, they agreed to cut oil production in an effort to boost prices. This decision had a significant impact on the oil futures markets, the prices rising over 10% in the following weeks. So you could see here, this news event, you can kind of understand where the price is going to go. Now, you don't trade the initial release of that news because price may swing back and forth, but you know once price settles, it's generally going to start moving towards the upside, and you could get positioned in once your strategy shows entries for you. Then we have the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. This happens more often, as well as other central banks. Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates can have a significant impact on the Forex market. For example, in 2018, the Fed's decision to raise interest rates 4 times led to a significant strengthening of the US dollar against other currencies. Now, if we look right here, so 2022 on, now if we go to the USD or the Fed, so you can see we're currently at a 4.5 to 4.75. Look, 2022, we went from almost 0 all the way up to this 4.5%. This was March 7th, March 16th. Now go back to the chart. March 7th, boom, to October 16th. Let's see where we were at October 16th. So you can see that general move of the interest rates up. You're able to capitalize on this swing up of the dollar, the strength of the dollar. We are settling back down, but the interest rate is still going up. So you can't use this as a clear indicator, but you can understand the general flow of it. And if you look here, 2015 to 2020, we don't go that far back, but all the way to 2020, you can see that general rise and then drop back off again. Clear drop off. Went from 1% down to 0.